Hi everyone, I'm August, and this week I'm doing a really easy swipe, small cell activator lines through it, some additional color lines through it. I spun it out and called it a day. So it's very simple, but it's very easy, and the results are pretty cool. So how we're doing this is I'm using a SHELEE Art Bloom recipe, and that is in the description below. I put down my white house paint pillow and then started laying my colors out. And I think I only had 4 colors for this one. When I'm swiping like this, something that I like to do is the first 2 colors I put down, 2 or 3 colors, I want to make sure my swipe area is completely covered. I don't want to see any pillow peeking through, because when I swipe over that, that pillow can show. So it's easy for me just to remember those first 2-3 colors I laid down, make sure that pillow's covered. And then you can drizzle other colors and do all that. So we've got our colors laid down. I came in with a blank palette knife and swiped through it. Now, something with this style is when you swipe, if you move your palette knife as you're swiping, you're gonna see that design in the colors, if that makes sense. So if I swipe straight across, my lines are gonna be straight across. If I want a little wave in there, that's all you need to do is just move your palette knife as you're swiping and you'll see that little wave. Now, what's cool about that is when you come in with your cell activator, you've got these lines running through. And so what I tend to do is stick to the lines that were made with the initial swipe. The initial swipe was just to blend it and kind of give it a background design. When you come in with your palette knife to do cell activator swipes, you follow those lines. You say, you know, you've got this really cool gold line running through. Well, a black cell activator would probably look pretty good on top of that gold. So when I'm looking at the painting after I do the initial swipe, that's what I'm looking at, is what lines are there that I could follow. Same thing when I put the lines of just regular paint. So I'll dip the tip of the palette knife in the paint pot and then just run it through. And again, I'm trying to follow some sort of pattern that's already there. So I'm not going against the pattern. If my pattern's all going this way, I'm not gonna come through and swipe down that way. That was probably too much information, and I apologize. Got off on a little tangent there about the lines. So I hope that made sense. As always, Creations with Tanya and Grandma Kathy's Art Venture are premiering directly after me. Their links and videos are in the description below. Thank you for being here. I apologize if that intro didn't make sense. I hope it did. All right, guys, have an excellent day.